class, and welcome to week 5 in Introduction to Early Childhood Education. I hope you're feeling good about where you are right now in our class. You're about to embark in week 5, where you have to prepare and submit your final project. Hope you're feeling good about that. Remember that if you have any questions or concerns, please contact me right away. I always want to tell students, don't wait for the last minute to pull this project together, because it is quite extensive and requires more than a day's work. So you should be starting that now if you haven't already. Aside from that reminder, I want to ask you to reflect on the class. What did you find valuable about it? What did you find that you don't think we really needed to cover? You know, would that be the history of the landmark issues that we studied in week 1? Would it be the interview? Or might it be the study of all the different learning approaches, and then the theorists? Did you find that they tied together? In week 3, you did an assignment where you linked up a theorist with a learning approach. How did you feel about that assignment? Was it something that helped you out in understanding of early childhood education? Remember, this is a free space. Hopefully you feel comfortable in sharing with me and with your classmates. Comment below this announcement with the things you found worthwhile and those things that possibly we should not include in this class. It's been a pleasure being your partner in the teaching and learning process here at the University of Arizona Global Campus. I wish you well as you finalize your project, final discussions, and I wish you well beyond that with your careers in early childhood education. Thank you. Have a great day.